but you gotta be kidding me. One second, guys, I have some issues. Oh my god, I'm up a lot on GNRC. That's awesome. Alright, I am live. Let me just make sure. Why is it not broadcasting yet? Alright, I am. Okay, it's live now. Is anyone there?
Yeah.
Can you guys hear me? Just FYI, I am streaming on YouTube. Let's see. Why are my positions not updating? Oh, I'm logging into the wrong account. Okay. How's Bale doing today? Let's try to focus on training as well today, so I could give a live stream regarding training and risk management. Let's see how Vale is doing. Doesn't have enough volume today. I don't see much volume yet on anything. YouTube broadcast started. The wrong chat. Good morning, Loba. How are you? Join the voice chat. CLF. I like CLF. If CLF can break 1364, I will take some calls 2 weeks out. Let me look at the 1 hour chart. Yes, definitely CLF looks pretty good. We could actually take a starter now for October 7. I'm looking at the 14 strike. And as we break the 1370, 1365 toward the upside, we could add more, or we could just wait for a confirmation on that break. It's only off by 10 cents, so we won't be chasing. Let's wait for a good confirmation, and we could take entries on CLF. SPG. Hold on 1 second. Let's keep an eye on SPG. I did expect it to run a little bit. I do have a target at 92.67 for us to add puts. So let's build a supply zone between 92.67 and 91, a demand zone at 91.90, and we can consider taking positions there for puts.
I don't think your stream is live. Your audio is, but your stream isn't.
I had to post a new link. It's a new link. Hold on. Let me get the new link. I had problems with the initial one that it didn't auto launch. Okay. So I placed an alert on SPG as well, guys. So keep that in mind. Let's see if we could take an entry on this one for puts into November. GNRC, I am up 20% on GNRC. And I'm up like 40% on November, not November. And I'm going to close, hold on, let me see how XPX is doing real quick. I still see some momentum toward the upside. I'm still holding 2 XPX calls that I swing from yesterday. They're ranging 56% gains. I believe we will have a gap fill on XPX at 37.56. If the momentum stays. So actually I'll place an alert at 37.44, which is a trend line that I have drawn. I will exit, I will scale out calls at this area. So I placed an alert on 37.40, no, 37.45 on XPX. No, we already broke that resistance. We're above the 200. Oh, actually, yes, you're right. We have a double top resistance. We're nearing it. So 37.15. Actually, I did have 37.15 drawn before. I will scale out one at 37.15. So I placed an alert on this one. Please keep an eye on CLF, guys, because I'm monitoring multiple tickers for you. I will take a starter position. Market still looks pretty decent. Wait a second. What is this? Oh wow, our CLF leaps are also up 13%. Didn't realize that. How many do I have? I have 10. Oh, that's lovely. It's a great start of the day. Let's see. Who else did I forgot to tag on this? That's okay. All right, guys. So the new position on CLF is up 5%. SPG is still holding. We have housing data coming out in 30 minutes. Well, 20 minutes. GNRC is rejecting, but I'm okay with that. I'm positioned for long term. watching XOM. Remember, I am bullish on XOM. This was a nice push on XOM as well overnight. I made a call out on calls yesterday on XOM, but we did had a pullback and we took an exit. First target has met on SPX and I'm at 81% gains. Due to the current momentum, I will not scale out any of my positions on XPX. I will scale out approximately at 37.40 as I mentioned in the trend line. Unless I start seeing a rejection, I will scale out one XPX, and I'm pushing 92% on XPX, averaging $2,740 gains. And keep in mind, guys, I did give some suggestions on an uptrend. You guys could have taken positions on SPY based on those suggestions I gave you. So we are seeing some sort of consolidation going on and rejections. I'm going to secure one XPX at 90%. So one XPX is already secure. CLF is holding. SPG did near an area of interest. I may start one starter, a light position into November. And I'm looking at the 75 put for November on SPG. We could also choose to go short term. The short term will be more of a YOLO because we do have housing data coming out in 20 minutes. Well, 15 minutes. If you guys want to take a short term YOLO on SPG, this will be considered YOLO due to the short term length. We could take a starter 75 put. We're only risking between $50, but don't take an entry until we see a rejection. We might want to take an entry after housing data comes out. Let's see. My sister is so funny. She just sent me a text message asking me if she could tag along if I go to Buffalo Wild Wings today. She knows that I go every Tuesday or every other Tuesday. Oh, and by the way, if you guys are interested, around 6 p.m. I could host a live stream. If you guys wanna support my daughter's run, she will have a cross-country track race with a few other schools. I could just post a live stream and we could all just support her as a group. Alright, CLF is rejecting. Market overall is rejecting support or resistance. Vail is also rejecting. SPG is still moving, but that we expected that due to housing data. WBA, I don't have any plans of reducing any of our positions on WBA. We've been adding on this accordingly. At the moment, our WBA is green by 10% minimum if you enter around 45. You guys are well aware that I'm very bullish on WBA. Let's see how CBS is doing. I like the chart that I saw on CBS last week. Yeah, and it bounced off perfect too. if you guys prefer to trade CVS, CVS has held a lot better than WBA. This is a decent area to take entries on CBX. We could also take entries for January call, some more long term. Let me see. What will be a good call for CBS? So 110. I don't know if we will push to 110. Debatable. Premiums are a little bit up. We'll see. I'd rather stick with the WBA. Alright, let's see how IWM is doing for today. Volume still looks okay.
Hey Angel, did you say you already took in the 70 put for November on SPG starter?
I did took one for November, yes. But
Okay.
we can choose to wait for the housing data at 10.
Okay.
I like the SPG for October as well. That's the one that I wanted to buy for a short-term YOLO. The 80, I would prefer if we could buy the 80 put, but the 75 put is very reasonable as well. 80 put will be safer. Actually, nah, the 75 is really good. I like the volume. The 80 put doesn't have that much volume either. Wow, WBA and CVS is moaning. CVS has more volume. How's UNH doing? Hold on, let me just check my contracts. Because this is, I have it on my long-term account, so I'm not too worried on these positions. UNH, where are you, baby? The UNH is printing. No, greedy. Mimi, did you join me on UNH? Let's see. Volume still looks okay in the 1 minute. The 5 minute, we have decreasing volume on sellers, so that's good. Microsoft is rejecting a 50 EMA. Be ready for a pullback, guys. I'm seeing a lot of selling pressure. Let's try to snipe some puts on SPY. Or we could do... Let's see. SPY puts for tomorrow. 365, 369. What time does JPal speak today?
I thought he's done for the day already.
No, he has another stream. I enter a starter put, 365 put on SPY. I'm already up 5%. I alerted entries on puts right before that red candle, so you guys should have profited on that push. I am up 10% on SPY puts.
Well, on the Fed market, I see Bullard speaking at 9:55,
That's probably why we're pulling back then.
but I don't see JPal on today's schedule at all, besides the morning.
Your mic sounds different today.
Yeah, I'm in the car driving.
That makes sense. I'm going to average down bail just slightly. I'm still down on bail, but this is more of a long-term play. I am up 15% on SPY puts. I am up 20% on SPY puts. Tesla's picking up a lot of volume. We're getting dip buyers on Tesla at the 50. Thank you, Adam. We're bouncing off the volatility and VWAP. Come on, SPY, make new lows. You seem to be bouncing. I may secure 10% gains here just to keep some profits. I'm at break even. SPG puts are up at 8%, 7% actually. CLF is printing, is back in green, up 3% on CLF. Big push on oil. CLF leaps are up at 16%. GNRC still holding pretty well. Veil. I'm not gonna monitor Veil as much. Nice push on CLF. rejecting. SPY is rejecting. Failed to break. It seems we may stay sideways today. I can't determine it yet, but at the moment it seems we may just trade sideways today.
You know, the counter to your GNRC might be like an insurance company. If we're going to have an active hurricane season, repairs are going to be through the roof because materials are still high.
Yeah.
So maybe a lot like a commercial insurance put of some sort.
Which company do you have in mind?
I don't know. You're the expert, man. I'm just throwing spitballing.
I don't actually monitor that sector though, so that's why I said which company do you have in mind for insurance?
Man, I don't even know who the big ones are, like that are traded.
I'm not too familiar with those either. Oliver, are you familiar with a company like that? I took a good exit on SPX. Alright, SPY is rejecting. We need to make new lows. I have an expected price target at 366.
My boss lives in Tampa, or in Sarasota, and he
Yeah,
can't decide
I
which way
know
to
you're
go.
not in Boise. I'm sorry. It's a private group. CLF is doing extremely well. I am very heavy on CLF. Overall, I think I have like $20,000 invested on CLF shares and options into March and January 2023. And I also have, well, this one's not going anywhere. I forgot to close this one. CLF is pushing. We're up 10%. Terrible short though. What are you talking about? Oh, I'll check it right now. Oil's doing extremely well. I should have held on to more calls.
Might get a supply shock if the Gulf is adversely affected by the hurricane.
Yeah. Damn it. I don't like the sideways action on SPY. Finally. There you go. I am up 30% on SPY puts. Let's go! Beautiful. Beautiful. I love it. Come on, SPY, keep dropping, baby. Just knife.
Apple's on its 200 for the 1 minute and it's clipping it right now.
35% on SPY puts. I added one more SPG put, the 75 put for November 18. $45% on SPY puts. Guys, I'm done for the day. I took a very large lot on SPY puts on that pullback. I'm pushing 50% on SPY puts now. Scaling out a few. We near my target, so I will scale out a few SPY puts here, guys. Wait, won't let me close. Come on, baby, keep going. I believe we may make new lows today, so keep that in mind. I'm still holding a heavy position. I'm only scaling out a few. SPG is, well, I averaged up, so my percentage is different from my initial call out. My SPG is showing 6% now, but I did average up. Tesla puts look good as well. 385. Keep an eye on Tesla puts. We may be able to re-enter more Tesla puts soon. Let's see if we could make new lows under 366, and we could add the same put for next week on Tesla. Come on. Let's just break the support. $270 put. Pushing 55% on SPY puts. Come on, baby. Beautiful. Oh my god. This is beautiful. $65% on SPY puts. Hey, Emran. I'm securing a few more SPY puts, 60%. First exit was around 30%. Second exit was announced around 60%. Congratulations, everyone. SPG puts, after an average up, I am up 12%. So you guys should be up approximately 15% on SPG. Don't be afraid to secure some accordingly. We are testing yesterday's resistance area. I mean, a 12-15% gain on this play is not bad, and I'm pretty sure everyone in here went very heavy on this call out. And if you didn't, then I'm a little bit disappointed. I did secure some SPG because, like I mentioned, I did went heavy. And I'm already holding close to $15,000 worth of puts on SPG, so this was a day trade. On my end, I'm scaling out a few more SPY puts at 45% gains. Let's keep it green, guys. We are reversing and bouncing off a strong support area. There's no point for us to hold on to those puts, so please secure. I announced a good exit at this level, so you guys were able to secure max of your profits here at 60%. And then I also announced another exit here, which allowed you to secure remember, let's always keep runners. We will exit our runners if we cross this the 20 EMA toward the upside, so we don't take any hits on our runners, or at least keep a trail stop set within gains on your runners. Don't ever let any green trade go red. Always secure profits. Alright, SPY's trying to cross the 20 EMA. Be careful here. We're still rejecting. Give me a second so I could watch SPG and see what SPG is doing. I did announce an exit on SPG here for you guys to secure 15% minimum. And then entry was given here. Let's see. Perfect exit on SPY calls as usual. I'm doing my best for you guys to keep profits and don't lose any gains. Alright, so SPY is still rejecting this. All right, guys. As you guys see, we did reject SPY at this level, so we're still good on this position. I'm having a lot of problems with my mobile app. Are you guys having issues with TD Ameritrade on mobile? Remember, guys, my put callout gets invalidated if we cross this region above, because I do not want you guys to not net any losses. I want you guys to stay green. So at any time that we cross this this EMMA, I want you guys to secure. And if we reject and continue making new lows, that is perfectly fine. Do not FOMO the trade. Do not chase it. Let's wait to re-enter a trade until we break this level. Once we break this level and confirm new lows and hold under this level, we could add into the puts. So please don't never FOMO a trade, never chase a trade. I gave you guys proper entries and proper exits on SPY. So I want you guys to read something that someone just sent me. And this is after just one training that he took from me. He wants to stay private. He doesn't want to say who it is yet. So I'm going to post it in chat right now. Alright, I'm also going to post it on YouTube for others to see. I feel very happy with this, to be honest. I've been helping him via DMs because I'm restricted on how much I can actually train someone. Well, I was, but I decided to still reach out and help him on a one-on-one actual training, and it helped him a lot. And you guys can see his progress. Just from today, he's already 998 in profit. He is listening too, so I'm sorry if I just shared your info. But I'm very proud of you. I'm not gonna say your name. I'm just openly saying it, that I'm proud of your progress. So we took a good exit on SPG. SPG is also bouncing. We are still within gains on the second position. If market does decide to bounce here, we could just take an exit on that entry and then re-enter on a higher peak if we want to stay safe. You're welcome. I really want you to learn and just hold on. I'll DM you this. Okay, so we're rejecting the 50 EMMA on SPG. That's pretty good. SPY also had a big rejection. Alex, I don't know, to be honest, because I've never done funded accounts. I've heard that Apex has different tiers that you can take. Um, I will ask someone in the other group and see what they tell you, to be honest, because I'm not familiar with Apex trading or any funded accounts. I do not want to give any advice regarding that either, so it's best if you ask someone else. I apologize. And keep in mind, yeah, I want to be clear on YouTube as well. Each live stream that I do host, I want it to be taken as a training as well. I don't want to just randomly give you call outs. I want you guys to take it as a learning experience. I want you guys to learn what I'm watching and why I take these calls. Always have a plan when you take a trade. Always know when you need to exit. For example, here on SPG, we took an exit in this area, and I gave you guys an early indication that we should consider securing at least one of the positions at yesterday's resistance level at 88.12 on SPG, and that allowed us to secure 15% gains on this drop. And everyone has been actively trading this with me, so we're not just buying one or two positions, we're actively trading. Adam, you know, you could have told me that a long time ago and I would have like brought up the stream. I didn't know. I did not host it, my screen share on this.
I mentioned it, and I thought you were I thought you were streaming somewhere else, and I was
I
like,
didn't
well,
know. I'm sorry.
I was like,
I think I just did not hear you guys. My apologies.
you
I brought
too
up the
busy.
stream again, but I mean, I'm sorry.
You too busy making money.
I'm too busy teaching you guys. I completely forgot. But it's okay. I recorded it too. And it's on YouTube. I gave you guys links on YouTube, so you guys could have still joined at least a YouTube link.
Time to look at that Tesla put again. It can't. It hadn't been able to push.
No, I haven't entered it yet, but yeah, I do like the Tesla put.
I don't know. It's building a little level there, but it hadn't pushed. I got to
And
define it.
CLF is still doing well.
Are you still looking at the same Tesla put from yesterday? The 270 put for October?
Yeah, but I don't know if I will buy it yet, Ethan. Market
I
looks a
know.
little bit.
I have to. I'm just getting my watch list updated. I just got home.
Oh, okay.
That's an expensive put.
Well, I gave an alternative, and based on the volume and the OI, I also like the 260.
Okay.
I personally took the 270 because of my
Yeah.
account size, and I
Gotcha.
just really like that strike. Well, I haven't entered it at the moment. So market is reversing. Had a strong bounce. Great. I gave you guys great exits on SPY as well. No one should be holding any more positions. I gave you guys alerts to exit as soon as we had a cross here. If you guys follow my alerts, you should have still secured in green in this area. I see. GNRC. I might take a position on GNRC actually. Another one. Man, this is expensive though. Hardless account. Can I see it at this level by then? 170. Sure. I'm still expecting another pullback by this week. I would like a short-term call, maybe for November on GNRC, but I think it will be very risky. The only call that I will consider and I feel comfortable holding, even if it pulls back a little bit, it's on for next year. I'm not gonna take it, not on this. Alright, so IWM is pulling back. Let's see how IWM is doing. What you're talking about is exactly what I'm doing. I've legit never taken a call out. Well, back on. What are you talking about? So I want to give you guys an update that that member that wishes to stay private for now, he just made another $500. So he hit his $1,500 goal from watching the stream. Oh, well, I'm not exactly saying not to mirror what I do. I want you guys to take it as a training as well. You guys can mirror what I do. Yes, you can. But I want you guys to learn as well. Alright. I will not add puts within this area, even though we're having a rejection here, guys. And considering that we have a strong resistance here, I highly advise against entering any puts here. We have to make new lows. But Amazon, we definitely missed out on Amazon today.
Got a 660,000 SPG call for the 90 strike 1021.
Well, that explains that volume I just saw on SPG. Everyone here should have reached your goal already. At the moment, the market is trading sideways. I don't recommend anyone holding any short-term positions here. This is a bullish setup nonetheless. I did expect it to bounce around 366 area, but we don't seem to have the momentum to make that push. I don't recommend you guys forcing any trades, and we should all have exceeded our goals for today. We don't need to overtrade. Remember, a lot of the times we are always done trading by 11 o'clock. Oh, Alex, that person is actually not in this group though. The one that I'm talking about, he's on another group. He's watching us on YouTube. He's very happy today. He made it good. Thought you wanted him to. No. And if you guys don't want me to have delays on YouTube, I do need to get 1,000 subscribers. So if you guys can help me push 1,000 subscribers and I could host more live streams on YouTube, that will help out as well. You could share my link to your friends or etc. if someone wants to learn. That was a big push on SPG.
Do you think this is a good time to scale into the November put for 70? Or SPG?
SPG?
Yeah.
Not yet, Ethan. It's
Okay.
I mean, possibly yes. Hold on. How's the RSI? It shows that it still has more room to move.
5-minute RSI?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you're right. I see it now. It just the last candle had almost made a higher high.
Not to mention, like, look at the volume too. We have nothing but buyers coming in at the moment. It's too risky to take.
Okay, I want to mark that level. You said you saw a resistance at 92?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna mark that level.
I think I have it at 91.90.
Okay, cool.
91.90 and 92.80. Around that region, I will go a little bit heavier on puts.
Yeah, I'm sticking to November though.
Yeah, me too. If we take October, we could just take that YOLO, like one or two of those YOLOs.
Oh, the 75 put for
Yeah.
October.
It's only 50 at the moment, but at that level, it's probably gonna be around $30-$40.
Okay, I'll maybe take a couple then.
Yeah. So we could just take two, and that would just be good lunch money on a pullback. Thank you for the sub. Don't send me these kind of pictures. Where is she? Well, I like that pullback. Microsoft looks very weak too. I could now. Let's see. SPY put is back at the area we bought it at 200. Actually, I added more around 190, but I don't believe we made pullback yet. No, not yet.
You've been consolidating in this channel ever since. What day was that? Since last Friday.
Hold on, we're getting someone new. Let me send them an invite. Yeah, since we're staying sideways, it's good we caught the move initially. Now we just have to wait. But if you guys have any questions on something that you want me to cover, we could use that as a small training too. I'm not gonna advise any trades on those levels. Not when SPY's in the squeeze. It's a bullish setup though. It looks like we could pump, but I'm not gonna take this trade yet unless we see more momentum. Wouldn't mind buying a share on GNRC. Give me a second, guys. Looking for something real quick. Tesla looks very bullish at the moment too. IWM is picking up some decent volume. IWM is gonna pump. SPY's gonna pump too. We may want to scalp some SPY calls. Let's see. I could go with tomorrow's EXP. What would be an ideal target?
2.
So we have a gap. 373. I'll take the 371 call for tomorrow EXP. Volume looks favorable. Going to wait for a better confirmation, but I have 371 call on standby. I haven't entered it yet.
Since we're trading, what do you look for confirmation?
Ideally, I would like us to break. Yeah, we're already breaking that area. We have a bullish crossover as well. Actually, this looks pretty good to start taking entries.
Oh, I missed it.
I'm gonna take one. Come on, the volume was good. Don't pull back here. I didn't even think about that, to be honest. You're funny. What's your morning routine to get an idea of the markets, and what news sources do you recommend? I recommend Bazinga, and you guys can use my partner link from them. Give me a second. Where do I have my link? I am up 3% on SPY, 5% on SPY. We failed to break. Oh, we're still holding above. Come on, SPY, make another push. I don't like this volume. I like the initial push here, but the volume is not holding that well, so I might just take an exit at break even if we don't push higher anytime soon, guys. I'm still ranging 3% gains. We are above the VWAP as well.
Tesla flow in the past 10 minutes been pretty bullish, dude.
Yeah, it does look pretty bullish. CLF calls are still doing really well. I haven't announced an exit on it. How's WVA doing? It's doing pretty good. GNRC is pumping. I should have added more calls. That crossed my mind. Yeah, this was a failed push. I'm exiting at break even. Oh, you better not push now. Yeah, it seems we're just gonna stay sideways. Do we have another event coming up in the next hour or two? Let me check the calendar. What day is it? It's a Tuesday. You took Tesla puts? Tesla puts is not ready. Not yet. But if you took it for next week, you should be fine. I'm still waiting to take an entry on Tesla puts.
I had one and closed it at break even.
Mm-hmm.
But I was in the 280 for the week, so I couldn't. It was expensive. I couldn't fool around with it. We're getting away.
We don't have enough momentum. Seems we're just gonna stay sideways today. We cut the early pump, so let's be happy with that.
You'll make a sandwich and the market will move, right?
Oh, thank you. I do have a Jersey Mike sandwich downstairs. I forgot about that.
Does it count if you don't make it though? I'm not sure if you don't make the sandwich. I'm not sure it's the same.
You always have a smart remark to.
Well, been in training for a while.
Tesla, where can Tesla go today? See if it has a rejection at 290.50. Spies, I just can't decide what to do. We're trading within a $2 channel. This is horrible for 0DT, XPX calls or puts. It's just getting theta crushed. So when you see a green volume bar coming, I agree. We could see 290. I see that as well. That may be the area I want to enter Tesla as well for puts.
And for a training purpose, since you're saying 290, show us why you say 290.
I
with
just
the
showed
volume.
it.
Okay.
I was looking
There.
at this resistance area on Tesla on September 22nd. So I'm gonna see if we have a rejection here, which is also, we have a lot of buyers. So we'll see what happens at this level.
And you're judging that off the blue volume profile, the spike in the blue, right?
Ethan brought you here. Well, thank you, Ethan. Let's see.
Wait, what'd I do? I don't remember anything about that.
We have someone on YouTube that you brought over.
What's her name?
HB.
Okay, I think I know who it is.
They say they always beat you on fantasy. I could see Ethan signing on to YouTube just to reply to that comment.
Logging in now.
Logging in now. I don't like this sideways action. Yeah, I could tell. I love playing Tesla as well, and especially now that it's more affordable for everyone, and due to the volatility that it has, it's quite profitable if you take the perfect trade. You beat me in fantasy? I have not played fantasy in a long time. CLF is still printing, guys. I have not announced an exit on CLF, and remember, we still have a lot of leaps on CLF as well. Well, I guess I'm going to B-dubs today. Hey Angel, just a reminder that we have training today. And what time? Oh, I cannot be present on that training. Nope, I can't. I have to go to this cross country. CLF was a good trade, guys. This morning we cut the move. I think we entered around this area, if I'm not mistaken. I don't remember when we entered CLF. We may have taken an entry here or here. I know it was one of these two. I'm not gonna post it because I don't remember. It was recorded, so I'll just go back to the recording. I love Tesla, but I know why you hate Tesla. Well, that SPY call is still holding, but I exit at break even. I don't like the sideways action, but if you guys are still holding, you should be good. It was at 940. 940. Wait, so was it the first bounce on the 15 EMA? Oh, this was a roller coaster then. Yeah, I think we took an entry here. Thank you for keeping an eye. Entry for CLF 14C. How much? That was at 37. And it's currently at, yes, it did went down 10%. Now it's up at 35%. Beautiful call out on CLF, guys. I hope you guys joined it. Let me take a picture of this. Screenshot. CLF trade 38% now. Posted on desktop. Let me share it on both. IWM is back at a decent area for that October position, considering November as well. Wow. Look at my timing and seeing that too. That was a big rejection too.
Given this bad rejection, you think that SPG put entry is good here?
Yeah, I do actually.
Take some Octobers then.
How much is October? The spreads haven't really registered.
Averaging 49.
We'll see if I could get a cheaper fill.
I can't get cheaper. I got 48 fill. That's best I could.
I got 47. Alright, so let me post that. Can you post it in my group?
The October one?
Yeah, the cheap one. It's October 21, correct?
Yeah.
I'm already up 6%.
3%.
Guys, I'm securing some CLF at 33% gains. 7% on CLF October puts. On SPG, I mean. Yes, it is. American Airlines. I don't know how I feel about American Airlines. This might be a nice YOLO for Friday on some puts in American Airlines. We could take the 11 put. No, I think I'm gonna take the on the 1150 put. I'm not gonna go too heavy on it, but I do expect American Airlines to make new lows.
It's Friday.
Yeah, short term. Consider this a YOLO though.
I see the resistance on the hourly chart
Yeah.
and 15. You already enter?
Yes, I did.
Let me guess, 9 cents.
No, I took the 1151.
I meant the premium was 9 cents for you.
Oh. Oh wait. Oh my god. Well, I guess that's fine.
You want your contract?
I enter. Because I have October 7 open, and I ended up buying October 7 instead.
Oh, that's probably safer anyways.
Yeah, it's safer. I'll just hold on to that one instead. I'm not sure why I'm buying October 7. Why did I buy October 7? What was I watching before this? Interesting. Jesus. Look how much money Loba made from my SPY call out. I want to post it on the Wall of Fame and in chat. SPG's trying to bounce. That's okay. CLF. Clint, you have me thinking of a sandwich. Keep thinking about it. I might go downstairs and grab it.
Tesla's trying to flirt with that bottom trend line wedge. It's pushing again. That 290 be a good spot. Patience.
Mm-hmm.
Afraid it's going to break down too soon. But if it does, so be it.
What time is it? 11? I've been live for 2 hours already. 2.5. No, I've only been live for 1.5 hours. Hey Mimi, did you join me on UNH? I gave you a perfect entry in that. Oh my god, I didn't even notice I was up that much. I am up $5,000 on UNH. Is she in voice or did she leave already? No, she's still here. I was down 18% on UNH. And now I'm green 10%. Beautiful pump. This was more of a long-term play. Yeah, I have some FOMO too. I missed that one. XOM just rocketed today, and you guys are well aware I was very bullish on XOM, so this move was expected. I called out this move since Friday. We just sold a little too early. I mean, we sold at 35%, 38% gains. It's not bad, but I refuse to check the premiums at this rate. I do not want to know how much they moved today. And Adam, you better not post it or show me the premiums.
Who would do such a thing?
You would do that too.
I don't know what contract you got, so I can't.
I'm sure you could find it. It was very cheap too at EOD.
You're gonna go look. You're already looking.
I'm not gonna look in. I know which contract it is, but I'm not gonna look at the price it was at EOD.
I don't believe you.
I refuse to look. That will give me a lot of FOMO. All right, nice pullback on AAL. What is this?
Want me to post the AAL on the call out channel?
Yeah, please. I forgot to post it. Which callouts channel did you post it on?
Yours?
Okay, let's just keep it there.
Okay.
So far we took a decent exit on CLF, but it still looks bullish. It's holding an uptrend, even though the market is quite bearish now. Holy shit. right, Alex, take care. Think Tesla's gonna pull back from here? Well, to be honest, if I enter Tesla, I need to see SPY make new lows. I cannot enter yeah, I can't. Not when we're near a strong resistance, a strong support. All right. If you guys want to blame anyone for missing out on a trade for a few minutes, you guys can blame Clint. I need to go get that sandwich. I'm hungry. I keep thinking about it. I'll be back in a few. I'm gonna put it in the oven. So who do we have to blame for this awesome pullback?
Not me.
Oh my god, I missed out on the awesome puts right there, but it's okay. I did took a heavy position on SPG, so I didn't miss out on much.
I just want it noted. If you'll go get a sandwich, the market will move. You got a sandwich, the market moved.
Yeah, but I'm hungry. This is beautiful. And that exit that I gave you guys on where was it? I think it was here. On CLF. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. SPG. We took an entry here. OCT 21 and November 18 puts. So if everyone followed me accordingly today, you already made, well, one member made $2,000, but that guy, he always full ports his place. I'm seeing an estimate growth today of $840 on just one call, on just one option. No, two to three options. Not bad. Very profitable stream. Technically, your annual got covered today. Annual membership. This sandwich is so good. Philly cheesesteak from Jersey Mike's. Get away, Rocky. This is mine.
Secured some AAL at 30%.
That's really good.
Spy is trying to bounce. Do you have a time horizon on SPG?
For what?
SPG? Do you have a time horizon? Like about the time window of hitting that target?
Hold on. I'm still eating. I'm sorry. I have a lot of
Nope,
food in
no
my mouth.
problem.
Go break down, please.
What's your percentage on American Airlines Weekly?
25, but you can't get filled for half a dollar, so it's going to be either 12 or 13. So I like secured some at 12.
I'm at 23% for next week expiration on American Airlines.
Those moved actually better. Oh, well, at the beginning it moved better.
Mm-hmm. Rocky, stop. I'm not gonna give you any of my sandwich. Fine. Let's give him some love then. We can all give him some love. He was correct. As soon as I stepped away, Market was gonna knife. But it's also his fault that I got hungry. I wasn't even thinking about food.
Who is complaining?
That was a hell of an exit on CLF as well. Now it's just downtrending. I'm about to make new lows. We should see SPY around 363. Hold on, I have that level drawn, but got deleted. We're 12%. On which one? Which strike that you took? That you took November or did you take the October? Because on the October put, it's up. Yeah, 20%. WBA. Might add another one. That IWM put printed a lot, Sniper. It's up almost 100% for tomorrow's expiration. Yeah, that was a massive move on IWM. I was tracking it, but I didn't enter it. That was a good call out on your end. I won't take credit for that one. I didn't call it out. SPG looks pretty weak.
What do you see Tesla doing in the next hour?
Come on, SPG, just knife. CLF is still holding pretty well. I need to make sure my battery's charged. If I don't record this, my daughter will kill me. Let's see. American Airlines, we could consider scaling out a few. Since no, I'm still gonna hold it. XOM is pulling back. Major rejection off 87 area. It's beautiful. That Tesla put, Ethan, is moving pretty good.
Help me decide, sell or hold on the 280 weekly for Tesla. I need advice.
Hold it. We're about to knife.
Nice, look at you. Hell yeah.
Yeah. Don't not sell it. Look at that. Oh my god.
My dog heard you crunching, I think, and is over here just trying to get him something to eat.
So I effectively double my account already. And you guys know I resetted my account last week. It's already up. This was beautiful today. SPG is just printing. Alright, you can secure your weekly on Tesla here. We're retesting support.
Well,
I mean, we could go lower. Market still looks bearish, but remember, let's follow that strict risk management. Once we reach a support and we caught a perfect entry, let's just not FOMO extra gains.
I've doubled my daily goal already, so probably just quit. Or maybe I need to go get a sandwich so you guys can get some more moves.
Well, it's about to knife, and no, it's a good exit. Still going. Oh, baby. Where are you going? Are we testing yesterday's lows? If so, Clint will not be happy. SPG's knifing as well. Yes. Just broke the 200. Disney. I haven't watched Disney in a long time. Where is Disney? That's Clint's favorite ticker. Jesus, did Disney just get some news? No, it's just following the market. That 1 hour candle looks ugly.
Oh man,
Clint,
what's that?
have you looked at your favorite ticker lately?
Disney,
Yeah.
the rat.
Looks like it wants to go to 92, but we have some resistance. We have a lot of support at 95.70, 95.30.
GDP is Thursday. Nike tomorrow.
I like Nike for long term. I'm just adding long term in Nike. I'm not adding any leaps. I actually do have a leap on Nike. Let's see how the weekly looks. Looks very bearish, but it's coming into a strong support.
That comment you made about the no Tesla puts until SPY made the newer low. I mean, that was perfect.
Yeah, that was.
I mean, it timed. I mean, just right.
I just didn't want you guys to risk any positions on Tesla, as we were ranging between these levels. And if you guys took, yes, I do understand catching Tesla at the peak was the best play. But what if we failed to break down on SPY at this support and then we had a strong bounce? That would instantly cap our puts on Tesla.
So I was watching Tesla because of a little bit of a wedge on the 1 minute. And it, you know, it tested that bottom edge of it several times. But your statement about SPY and that last test coincided, and it just timed out perfect.
Hey guys, this is Immortal.
Hey, Mortal, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Did you catch the drop?
I did, still
Nice.
holding on. Yep.
What are
I
you
didn't do it. I'm just down to one October 270.
Okay.
I didn't do any really TD.
They're expensive. How much did you pay for it? I think it was like
Five something, I think. 5 or 6.
it was around 6. It's already
Yeah.
pushing $225 per contract.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's moving a lot. It's yeah. Also a beautiful play on Tesla.
So how did you I just am curious like what the reasoning is behind SPY hitting a certain threshold and then doing Tesla.
Well, for one, Tesla was very bullish. You know, they did hold a bullish pattern. And if SPY didn't make new lows, Tesla will bounce off this 200 EMA here that you see on my chart. So if that happened and you took some puts in this area, the bounce would have been strong because of the volume overall, and Tesla was high today. So I didn't want you guys to take puts in this area until actually SPY made new lows under 366. So that was your entry to take Tesla puts. As soon as SPY confirmed a new low, that's when
Okay.
we should have went in.
Got it. Yep. Beautiful play. Love it.
It was. Just make sure you guys post those gains on the Wall of Fame.
Will do.
If you don't want to share the total gains, you could just share the percentage.
Absolutely.
Only if I'd had 10.
Only if I bought one. I missed that drop on Tesla. I was eating. I mean, I took entries on SPG, American Airlines, and a few other plays, but those plays didn't print as much as I would have if I took an entry on SPY on Tesla. Wall of Fame. It's just a channel that we have where all members can post their gains and trades that they took from me or from themselves.
Honey, you don't need nothing to eat.
Look at Tesla go. Jesus.
No, I only had one, so I'm out.
Yeah, don't FOMO it. I mean, you made your gains.
Nope. Something I like watching on the active trader is when you're charting the actual option,
Mm-hmm.
you can see the volume come in on the option,
Yeah.
which is
All right, guys, we reached 363.40. So if you guys took puts according to the strike level that I gave you, you should consider securing some puts. I don't suggest you exit everything because we do look very bearish at the moment, but this is a great area to scale out on all puts. So I'm going to show an updated price target that I have on the market. I'm not sure if that will hit today. I did have a target around 359 that somehow got deleted. But my overall price target on SPY is 345. And please keep in mind, guys, I gave you guys all these predictions on SPY close to a month ago when SPY was around 431. And if you guys recall, especially you, Clint, because I gave you these details a few times and I gave you my reasoning behind it. If you guys go back to all the price targets I gave you, we hit and consolidated each and every single target that I provide to you close to a month ago.
you gave me 369. God, like in the spring, I think,
Correct.
or maybe even like February.
Yeah.
I had this screenshot. I should look back and see if I still got it.
And I announced an exit on the calls before SPY started bouncing. So you guys should have been able to secure max gains before this bounce.
I think we talked about as low as in the 240s with a bad recession.
If a recession this started, yes. But at the moment, based on what we're seeing, I do believe we'll see 358, 359 soon. That's my next target if 363 doesn't hold. And we will go as low as 345. I do have other targets below 345. I do not want to disclose that information until we get closer to this area and depending on how the market is holding overall. Axom. I don't know what to do with Axom though. I'm bullish on Axom, but I think Axom may be able to retest 83. You know, a straddle for Axom maybe 2 weeks out might be viable. But the premiums are a little bit high today. The IV isn't too bad. Well, we'll hold off on the straddle. I don't know. The problem is XOM is in a really good area for a straddle. or a strangle. I'm not sure what to do.
Tesla broke the volatility on the 5. Alright, FOMO's kicking in. I'm leaving for the day.
All right, American Airlines puts for next week is ranging 40%. The SPG puts for October, they're ranging 34%. AAL just knifing. I know that entry that we took on AAL was just beautiful. We took a perfect entry on American Airlines. We took an entry. Hold on. What time did I make the call out? I know I posted it. It was at 11:12. 11:12, which was roughly around here. And that put is, I took a different strike, so let me check what's the put at for this moment. It was at $9, $10 fill, 80% pump. Weekly put call out. And so far at this area, 80% weekly, and 40% whole CT7. And this was all call out on live. 34% SPG, 35% SPG. $270. It was like six. It was a 590. Where did I post that? Oh. I just saw that picture, Adam. That's funny. All right, guys. I might need. Hold on. can't join that seminar today, guys. I told you I have things to do with my daughter. I have 358.90. Alright, YouTube, I'm going to be canceling the stream here. It's already I've already pushed the stream for 3 hours. I don't want to make this video too long either. I still want some members to rewatch the video. So for now, I will cut the stream on YouTube. I will still be live, but I'm going to stay live privately. Thank you for watching.